Hello YouTube and welcome to another Mac Tips Weekly video. In this video we're going to take a quick look at hot corners and what they mean to you and how they can help your workflow in macOS. The first big thing is to find where hot corners are. If you open System Preferences by either clicking on System Preferences or holding down Command and spacebar, releasing them and just typing in System, you can see System Preferences comes right up. In the System Preferences window, click on Mission Control. Here, go down to the bottom left corner and click Hot Corners. The Hot Corners contextual box opens up and you can see there are 4 drop-down boxes, 2 of them already set. Now that we know where Hot Corners is, let's go over real quick on what Hot Corners are. Hot Corners are kind of what the name suggests. It's assigning a task or a function to each one of the 4 corners on your Mac and allows you to do something just by putting your mouse into that corner. For example, in the top right corner, I have Launch Screensaver set. In the bottom right, I have Put Display to Sleep. That means if I put my mouse cursor in the top right corner, right there, my screensaver will start automatically. If I put my mouse into this bottom right corner right there, my display will instantly go to sleep. Since I don't want to do those because they wouldn't really make for a great video, let's set this upper left one. We'll set it to Launchpad. That's something that is fairly underused, and we'll look at that in another video. But with that set, we hit OK. We're going to leave this open because we will look at it a little more. All I have to do is go into the top corner, and there we go. I'll come back out and click, and it goes away. We'll do that one more time. And again, all that is just by putting my mouse up into that corner. Click on Hot Corners again. Instead of Display to Sleep, let's change this one to Notification Center. That's a pretty useful one. We'll click OK, move my mouse into the bottom right corner, and there you go. Notification Center comes right up. Put it in again, it goes away. Click on Hot Corners again. And as you can see, you could set whatever you want for these as often as you want. We'll have Mission Control come up for that bottom left. Now all I gotta do, we'll set Mission Control for the bottom left. Now all I have to do is go into that corner and boom, Mission Control comes up. So as you can see, Hot Corners are a very useful, very simple tool that is honestly quite often overlooked. If you decide you don't want that corner to do anything, just select the dash and it will go away. So that's it for Hot Corners. Nice quick video today. Hopefully that really adds to your workflow and speeds things up and gets you accessing the features that work best for you. As always, please like, subscribe, share this video, and if you can click the bell next to your subscribe button, you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Finally, I'd really appreciate it if you would check out my Patreon. For as little as $5 a month, you can get videos that nobody else sees, get credit in my upcoming videos, and add a few bucks into the pot for helping me make the best videos possible. That's it for Mac Tips Weekly. Have a great day, and don't forget to Mac on.